even either.
With all that.
It's a lot. Hey, go.
It's so quiet in here because they are getting ready to do a very cool performance. Xavier, should we be whispering? Sure. Okay, Xavier says sure. Tell me a little bit about the band that you guys have. You guys have been here all morning playing. You guys have a big parade coming up too, right?
Yeah, we have the Town Square Parade coming up next Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and we have another parade in North Park, the Toyland Parade, on December 3rd.
And what do you like about being in the band?
It's really cool. I like to play. It's a different feel from, just sitting down and playing like concert band or jazz band and stuff like that. So marching bands is a good, really good motive for music.
Motive for music. I like that. And you can learn from one another, learn different stuff.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Tell me what you guys are going to play right now.
We're going to play the first song from our field show that we played at our competitions. It's called Distorted.
Very cool. All right, I'm going to let them take it away. Nice job, Xavier. All right, you're looking at the Madison High School Band. Too much fun this morning, guys. Back over to you. Weren't they fantastic?
They are very good.
Really good. They really are very, very good. Fantastic.
Thank you, Allie.